In this video, you'll learn how to change the view in Microsoft To Do so you can organize your tasks in a way that makes the most sense for you. Whether you're managing a busy workday, a school schedule, or just your personal errands, adjusting how your list is sorted can make it much easier to stay on top of everything. Let's start from within Microsoft To Do. First, make sure you're signed in and looking at your main dashboard where all your lists are displayed. The very first thing you need to do is open the specific list whose view you want to change. This might be something like your work list, groceries, personal, or any custom list you've created. Go ahead and click or tap on that list name. This will open up the full list of tasks inside it. Take a second to look at how your tasks are currently arranged. By default, they might appear in the order you created them, but that's exactly what we're going to adjust. Now that your list is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You're looking for the sort icon. It's the small icon with staggered horizontal lines, one above the other, usually slightly offset. On some devices or versions, it might be just to the right of the list name or near other view options. Move your mouse or tap on this sort icon. When you click it, a small menu will appear with several ways to organize your tasks. These are your sort by options. The exact labels can vary slightly depending on your version, but they generally include things like sorting by due date, by importance, by creation date, or even alphabetically. Take a moment to think about how you prefer to see your tasks. If you're working with deadlines, choosing to sort by due date is usually best because tasks with the earliest dates will appear at the top, helping you focus on what needs attention first. If you assign importance flags to your tasks, choosing to sort by importance will bring your most critical items to the top so they're harder to miss. If you want your tasks to appear in the order you added them, you can use the option that sorts by creation date. And if you like everything neat and tidy by name, you can choose an alphabetical sort. Just click on the sort by option that fits how you want to work. As soon as you pick an option, your list will automatically rearrange itself based on that choice. You don't need to save anything. The new view is applied instantly. Scroll through your list and make sure it feels right for how you plan and review your day. Remember, you can change this at any time. If you sort by due date today and later decide you'd rather see tasks by importance, just click the sort icon again and choose a different sort by option. Microsoft To Do will immediately update the view for that list. That's all there is to it. By opening the list you want, clicking the sort icon in the top right corner, and choosing the sort by option that fits your workflow, you can quickly customize how your tasks are displayed and make your to-do lists much easier to manage.